Hi guys, welcome to this video about what you can do when you have when you get an error message, USB device not recognized. So that happens when you have a USB flash drive, USB stick, and you want to use them, use it in on your computer. So yeah, I had it today, and obviously I noticed that a lot of people are having similar problems. As you can click on Google, you can find these messages overall in different programs or windows or whatever. So what usually happens, or what I would suggest, I would try to plug in the USB stick or the flash drive directly into your computer. So a lot of people are using such USB hubs. These are really cheap hubs. They have their limitations. Some devices do not work with that. A lot of devices work, but some do not at all work, and some work with limitations. So what I really recommend, unplug this thing and plug in your USB stick directly into your laptop, your desktop computer, or whatever you have. It can make a huge difference. Sometimes it's just a quality, sometimes they don't have enough power, sometimes it can be different things. So yeah, just plug it in into your computer directly. And if you still are having problems, then maybe there's a software problem. I mean, the USB stick can be damaged. That happens, usually very rare, but it can happen. But usually it's just a software problem. Some software can mess up the internal structure of the stick, and then it's not readable or not manageable anymore with Windows, and you can't just format it. So usually, I mean, you can try to when you see your stick here, like you have your PC, let's say go to your PC, and then you have your drive here, and let's say this is your stick. Then right click on that and click on format. But it often happens that this is not possible because Windows throws an error message and says, yeah, it can't it can't do anything. Like otherwise, it probably wouldn't throw this message here, like USB stick is not recognized. So the thing is, what you can do as a last resort, because before you throw your stick into trash, go to this site. I mean, you can download this tool from many sites, but I always recommend using chip.de. It's a German site, but doesn't matter. I will put this link down in the description. You can just click on that, so you know you have save link. What you then do, you click on manual installation, and then you click on download here. Sometimes it asks you to remove or disable your pop-up blocker or ad blocker, or so. Just click on no, go down to download, and usually it should work. Sometimes it's showing a silly video like here. Yeah, just stop this video. Yeah.
Mit Season Sale bis zu 50% auf eine riesige Auswahl.
Sometimes that really is a pain. So Yeah, hope it was not too loud. But anyway, you hope you were able to see that the download works. Of course, I now had to stop this video, otherwise it would hurt your ears. So yeah, anyway, it works. They just um, publish their videos, and yeah, uh, just watch it, or just stop the video. So anyway, yeah, you can download it from here and set it up, and then you can format the USB stick from there, and also you can make a check, like a detailed check on your drive from there. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes or even hours if it's a large stick. So I've been doing that, and it really saved my stick. So it was not only a problem. I mean, the problem which I had was, the first thing, I was using a hub, USB hub. That was the first thing I had to solve, and the second thing, I had to use this Rufus utility. Otherwise, yeah, because there was really, it was really messed up, the USB stick. So with this uh, utility, usually you will be able to save your USB stick. So if Rufus doesn't work, so usually means your USB stick is gone. It's time to put it into the trash and buy a new one. But luckily that happens really, really, really rarely. Yeah, I have many sticks. Some are really 10, 15 years old. Maybe I had to dispose one, maybe two, probably not even, maybe one. Yeah, so most of the sticks I were able to save with the Rufus. So that's the um, good information for you, I hope. Yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.